Well, this is the last day that I live in this house. Last morning. I'm leaving today. This has been my parents' house for the last 20 years. They're finally moving, and I'm just taking the last of my things and dropping them off at different places. And I live in Thomas officially, full time. One of the upsides to having converting bed is I have extra bed space to store stuff now for when I'm actually traveling around with a bunch of junk. That's pretty great, right? Yeah. And just like that, the truck is all packed up. Not bad. It's super dark in there right now, but all my tools, all the rest of the food, it's all in there. Okay, here's something I have not tried yet. Putting those bikes on the back of Thomas. So I definitely designed the rear swing out to take a bike rack, but I've never actually tried it. So we're gonna have to see how this works. As you can see, I've got a hitch receiver there, but the weak point in this whole setup is this pin. Now it's a 5/16 pin. 5/8 pin. It's a 5/8 pin. But if that somehow breaks, then this can swing out and my bike's with it. But yeah, let's see how this goes. The rack is the receiver is too long. Yeah, totally fits. Woo! It works very nicely. Alright, there's Thomas, fully equipped. Oh man. I'm so stoked on this adventure truck. My entire life. Just like right there. That's cool, isn't it? Okay, that's me gone. Taking off. I got the most important part, my plants. What I got left for the day is I'm dropping tools off at the client's house because I'm going straight from fabricating into doing a trailer build that I'm going to be doing for the next week and a half to 2 weeks. And then I'm dropping some stuff off at my friend Matt's place, and after that then I hit the Megan's place and stay the night, and then have a bit of a busy weekend moving stuff around, getting a few more tools, getting prepared for the next build, and yeah, on to the next week. So here we go. This is just funny. I can't see out my rear view. So dang heavy right now. It is riding like a Cadillac down the highway. Alright, so I just met with my client. Her name is Michelle. You'll likely see her in upcoming videos. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to segue right into the trailer build because I'm going to be shooting it while I work. So yeah, it's probably going to be Monday, which is 2 days from now. So, see you in 1 second. Bye. Well, hey there, folks. It's Alex here from the show Alex Build Stuff, the show where I build stuff and I show you. So, I am currently standing in Michelle's bowler trailer. I think it's a 1976. It's a slightly different variation from the trailer that I had, but it's pretty similar. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of restoration and renovation work in here. Well, I just found the first little area of water damage. You can see this drawer. The previous owner built it out of very, very thick, like 1-inch particle board, and it's been a week in here. It's wet and expanding. So I'm gonna have to find out where that leak is, and I'm gonna have to fix it. Okay, so before taking on this trailer, I did do kind of a brief inspection just to make sure that there wasn't any rot, but rot has a very good way, very efficient way of hiding itself. And I just found the first little bit of rot. It's not bad at all, but, and I think I know exactly where it's coming from, but it's like very, very wet. So I'll show you how it's getting in. So that is the rot right there in the corner, and it looks like it has worked its way up here, but I think the water's coming in through these bolts, possibly, because that's where it's the wettest, and then it's just wicked up this way. So that's not awesome, but it's also not horrible, and I think it can be fixed fairly easy. So it's not bad. Hate that. Then it's been following its way along here, and it's been coming out on the bench top, and it's still solid here, but shoot! Yeah, right there. That's all rusty right there. That's where it's been coming through. Okay, so as you saw, I just removed the furnace out of here, and we are removing everything in here, anything that runs on propane, just because propane creates moisture, propane is explosive, and it's just bringing gas into here that you don't need to bring in here. So out came the furnace, out came the refrigerator, because those both run on gas. But I'm really glad that I did get under here and start removing stuff, because this hose right here was running right over top of the inverter, or the charger, and it's like deteriorating. So water, electricity, not so good. Also, this here, which is the water line, like the city water line, I think, yeah, it was kind of cracking, and yeah, so there was like water just kind of ready to drain anywhere, and then all this electrical down here was, I don't know, kind of a little bit hodgepodge. So now I'm gonna work at taking out a few more things, cleaning up all this wiring down here, and then yeah, kind of starting to look at some of the other areas in the trailer, removing doors and all that fun stuff.
Start it up.
Okay, I think I'm pretty well done for the day. Just kind of a short get started day. More or less demoed the entire interior, as in like what I'm going to be doing. Taking all the doors off, as you can see. We're going to pull that tank out. I pulled the furnace out, pulled the charger out, pulled the fridge out, pulled the stove out, pulled the sink out, and then yeah. Now we're gonna go and get materials. So I'm gonna stop here and then start tomorrow.